This is red leaf romaine. I like to keep my tags and tuck them backwards into the side of the bed. That way the sun doesn't fade them and I know what I was growing if I like it and want to try it again sometime. You know, this time of year it's really nice and easy to grow from starts. They're available in most garden centers and they are giving you a couple of weeks to a month head start on your crops. Remember to plant your vegetable starts approximately the spacing of the head of lettuce you would choose to buy in the store. So if your head of lettuce that you like to buy is 6 inches across, try and give your plant 6 inches from its neighbor. That will ensure that you have enough space for your leaves not to touch and rot in the soil. Best way to maximize your harvest when harvesting your lettuce is to take the largest of the outside leaves, pinch them at the base, make your salad, and come back to harvest another time.